Well, it's someone who can't drive. Well, I'm barely getting the test anyways. Come on. Oh well. On to lacrosse.
During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements. County, state, transmitters are listed. For exact coverage areas, please visit our internet page. Receipt of this alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly alarm test. We now return to normal programming. This is NOAA Weather Radio WXK 41 in Rochester.